Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AI presentation generator, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Launch your preferred web browser. Navigate to the AI presentation generator website. Log into your account or sign up if you don't have one. Once logged in, locate the Create New Presentation button. Click on this button to start a new project. Enter the main topic or theme of your presentation in the designated field. Select the desired style or template that fits your topic. Review the available options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Click on the Generate Slides button to proceed. Wait a moment while the AI constructs your presentation. Once the slides are generated, review each slide carefully. Make any necessary edits directly on the slides. Add additional text, images, or videos as needed to enhance your content. Rearrange slides by dragging and dropping them into your preferred order. Utilize the preview feature to see how your presentation flows. When you're satisfied, proceed to export options. Choose your preferred file format, such as PowerPoint or PDF. Click the Download button to save your presentation to your device. Finally, open the downloaded file to ensure everything looks correct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.